Hi, Doc Sam here from Athletes Potential. We're going to talk about high hamstring tendinopathy for runners. So if you're getting some hamstring pain kind of close to your buttock region, right at your sits bone, where that hamstring inserts onto the pelvis, a couple of things that we want to avoid if we're having a lot of hamstring irritability is during your running, doing a lot of heavy hill work, where if you run uphill, right, and you lean forward coming up the hill, you're going to get a lot more pull on that high hamstring area. So trying to keep it on a flatter surface while you're doing some strength training to kind of recondition that hamstring tendon. So we're going to start with just a nice easy split squat or rear foot elevated or Bulgarian split squat. And when we set this up, when we first start out, if we have a lot of irritability, we want to be closer to this 90-degree angle at the hip, okay? So when we're doing our split squat, we're coming down, we're staying nice and tall, and we're kind of loading the quad, hamstring, and glutes more evenly. And then as we get stronger and that irritability goes down, then we can start to add a little bit more of a forward trunk lean, and this is going to load that proximal or kind of hamstring area closer to the pelvis more as we're going down. But you don't want to start there if you have a lot of irritability. So these are just a couple of ways that you can focus on strength training for the glutes and hamstrings and how you can alter your mechanics while you're kind of getting through that injury. Let me know how it goes. We'll see you later.